Okay, so this is what you're going to get with the acrylic display risers. These are the 3-tier clear. Basically, they're cupcake stand risers, but you can use them for perfumes. They can use them as a half mount or put them to do a complete circle ring. It's going to come with all the tools that you need. These right here, it's going to tell you to go ahead and take off this clear protective coating. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this, but look at the difference. You want to do it. They also are going to have beveled edges, so the screw is going to go completely in. The screw should not be sticking out of the plastic at all. Basically, you're going to go ahead and set it up. You can loosely screw in each screw and then tighten with the little provided Phillips head screwdriver that you'll get in the kit. Super simple, easy to do. You can't really over tighten it, so it's perfect. Now you're going to get 3 different sizes of the steps, these long little tubes. You want to use the longest on the smallest half moon. Then you want to use the medium size on the next tier and the smallest on the bottom. I'm just going to go through and make sure I've tightened all of them, and then we will go ahead and show you what this looks like. We are going to be using this for a bridal shower cupcakes, bagels, and donuts, and I think these are going to be absolutely perfect. Voila!